Hello everyone, in this video I will cover all Excel functions for summing up the number, sum function, operator, SUMIF and SUMIFS. Let's start with the sum function. So I have a simple items and prices here. To sum them up, I will press the equal sign and then SUM bracket starts, and then I will scroll down, left click here and scroll down and select all these cells and bracket closed, and then press enter. That will give us the total sum of these. Once we click on this formula bar, it will show you the selected cells. Okay, the second function plus operator will be work like this. So you press equal sign, you click on first cell, and then you press plus sign, click on second one, plus on third sign, plus sign, and click on third one, plus sign. This one is a little longer, but in case you need to do it individually for some of the formulas, you can also do this. Change plus sign and this last one, and you can have a opening and closing bracket here. That way it knows the formula is ending. You press enter and it's giving you 84. So the third is SUMIF. So SUMIF gives you ability to put condition. Suppose you only want to sum some criteria. For instance, sum if the price is equal to 10. So what I would do, equal to SUMIF bracket starts. So first of all, I'm asking for range. So I will select a range. I want to add up in this range, and then it's criteria. So in this selection, I will put criteria. Suppose I want to sum up every number which is equal to 10. So I will put quotes 10 quotes and bracket closed and enter. So it will only add up this 10 and this 10. So that would be $20. So the next one, you can say I want to add up all above 10. So you need to put a greater than sign here and press enter. So in that way it will add up all the numbers which are greater than 10. And the next option you can also do, whatever you prefer to do, is less than 10. If you do less than 10, then it's only adding up less than 10, which is only have 9 here. Alright, in the last option I will explain about SUMIFS function. So let's delete this one, the previous, and next one you would do is type equal sign SUMIFS and bracket. So Excel does a great job. It also explains you, it gives you next should be some range. So what we would do, left click and drag it and select these cells and put a comma and a criteria range 1. So in this formula what we want to do is we only want to add up if it has price for copy. So we have copy twice in our item list, copy on third row and copy in sixth row. So what I would do, I would select this range where I want to select the copies. So A to A7, comma, under quotes, I will type COPY, then bracket closed and press enter. So like this, it's only adding up the prices for copies. So these were the 4 functions. Please subscribe my channel and like the video, and I will be sharing other videos in details as well. Thank you so much.